it's a driving issue. We know that statistically based on a range of sources of data. And so when it comes to the issues that are important to voters, what you have to understand is that you're looking at around 83% of voters are in states where there are full abortion bans, and over half the country wants to see abortion access protected. And so logically, it's going to drive voting, and it is driving voting because we're seeing in these states, these really critical races like Ohio, Wisconsin, North Carolina, all of these states, that there are massive numbers of women voters registering.
Thanks so much, Tracy Pearson, attorney and cultural and political analyst.
Well, let's test what she said a little bit more when we come back, because we're going to talk with somebody who's going to talk about how Democrats are now starting to see red.
Los Angeles business owners, stop overpaying for internet and phone. Switch to Spectrum Business and get our best deal for small businesses in Los Angeles. Get blazing fast internet speeds of just 600 megabits per second for just $49.99 a month. And phone for just $19.99 a month. Taxes and fees included. That's faster internet at an incredible price. Other providers don't even come close. Make the switch to Spectrum Business. Visit business.spectrum.com/ultra. Restrictions apply.
Hey, I'm Andy. If you don't know me, it's probably because I'm not famous. But I did start a men's grooming company called Harry. The idea for Harry came out of a frustrating experience I had buying razor blades. Most brands were overpriced, overdesigned, and out of touch. At Harry's, our approach is simple. Here's our secret. We make sharp, durable blades and sell them at honest prices for as low as $2 each. We care about quality so much that we do some crazy things, like buy a world-class German blade factory. Obsessing over every detail means we're confident in offering 100% quality guarantee. Millions of guys have already made this switch to Harry. So thank you if you're one of them. And if you're not, we hope you give us a try with this special offer. Get a Harry starter set with a 5-blade razor, weighted handle, speed belt, and a travel cover. All for just $3 or free shipping. Please go to Harry.com.
To get to work on time, to get to that level that you haven't seen in a long time, to get out of town because you need a vacation. I just hope that people will know they are important to me. I know it's the topic, but I care about what you're going through.
Here's Jennifer York on LA's Morning News.
Have I told you I love you lately?
Weekdays on KNX News 97.1 FM.
Attention, if you or your business is behind in filing your tax returns, or if you owe over $10,000 in back taxes to the IRS, please listen carefully. The IRS does not joke around and will not stop their collection efforts. In fact, the IRS is hiring 87,000 enforcement agents over the next 10 years. If you're tired of the IRS letters, levies, liens, or wage garnishments, and would like to get a fresh start, we can help. Due to the financial hardships in the country, the IRS is making it easier than ever to settle tax problems for those who owe more than $10,000. We can help settle your delinquent tax problems, end all collections, and may even reduce your back taxes by up to 90%. If you can't afford to pay your back taxes, you can still get help. We've helped thousands of taxpayers just like you. Call 800-219-1278 today to stop your tax problem from getting worse. The information is free and the help is real. Call 800-219-1278. That's 800-219-1278. Again, 800-219-1278.
The economy is on our minds these days. People are struggling, and that means it is more important than ever that you protect what you have. And one of your most important assets is your home. It's busy more, and right now it is termite swarming season, which amps up the termites to get busier and more destructive as they fly around your home. So I want you to take action today. Call Pacific Coast Termite. With that phone call, Pacific Coast Termite will send out a uniformed technician to your home or business for a free, thorough inspection. That's your chance to get all of your questions answered in person from an experienced professional. One of the things I really like about Pacific Coast Termite, besides being effective, is that it's easy. They use orange oil and Ultrasec. That means no tent, no move out. Everybody stays home during the treatment. Call now, you get 10% off and a 2-year guarantee. I just breathe easier knowing I've got the termite issue handled at my home thanks to the pros at Pacific Coast Termite. Call them 800-PACIFIC, that is 800-PACIFIC, or visit them online, PacificCoastTermite.com. Some restrictions apply.
This is Jacob Emrani. If you've been involved in a motorcycle accident, call 844-24-JACOB.
It's traffic time on KMX. Let's get you over to Brian Douglas.
All right, our crash on the 101 at Balboa, westbound side, gone. Cleared. Still some residual slowing, and our crash on the 405 in the South Bay, just past Rosecrans, that is clearing as well, but you still have a little bit of slowing on that southbound side from the 105 freeway. And now I'm seeing a little bit of slowing for you on the 91. Listen, if you're traveling westbound from Riverside into Corona, we did have a crash at McKinley on the right shoulder, but up ahead at the 15, 91 west of the 15, you're going to have 2 lanes shut down here. That's for some emergency road work, and you do have a little bit of a backup from McKinley over to the 15 freeway. Odyssey's 9th annual weekend survives at the Hollywood Bowl Saturday, October 22nd. A lot of more sets going to be there. Halsey, Weezer, One Republic, Garbage, and you. Weekend Survive supports the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention. The tickets are on sale now at Ticketmaster.com. 8:55 is the next report from VictoriaMcGlendora.com. 24 hours.
Some Democratic strategists really are losing hope, holding on to the House. The opposition is not fighting.
When you think about winning a Senate seat in Colorado, the GOP could even win a governor's seat in Oregon, which is typically very blue. Here there's Markell, the political science chair, the other Steve Trump, who specializes in the dynamics between public opinion, political behavior, and public policy. Thanks so much for joining us. You know, predicting the outcome of elections, it's sometimes very easy, and then sometimes it's very tricky. I know that going back to 2016, you had one of the leading lights on the far left, you had Michael Moore, who was going against the grain by saying that no, Hillary Clinton is going to lose to Donald Trump, and he turned out to be right. Now, Michael Moore is saying, no, all the pollsters are wrong again, and the Democrats are going to have a huge blue wave. But, you know, as we look at some of the polling results, I mean, and not just one poll, and not just two polls, but a lot of them are showing that, you know, momentum for Democrats is slowing down now, and the Republicans are looking a lot better heading into the midterms. How are we supposed to read all this conflicting information?
Well, it is all conflicting information, but it's nice to be aware that historically, the president's party always leads seats in the midterm election, and those seats are usually in the House, but sometimes in the Senate too. There are 2 exceptions to that. That's 1998 and 2002, where the president's party didn't lose seats. In fact, they gained seats. I don't see that this year stands out as an exception to the rule. In other words, we would expect the president's party to lose seats in the House, and they don't need to lose that many in order to flip control to the Republicans. The Senate's a little bit more difficult, but it's certainly true that the trend was more positive for Democrats earlier in the summer and even into early September. But at this point, Democrats can really do is hope they can largely avoid a bloodbath.
Well, our previous guest, I don't know if you happened to hear her, she was hopeful, is hopeful, and the overturning of Roe v. Wade is energizing women, and she was pointing out that more women are registering to vote in many of the states that now have basically anti-abortion laws in effect. Do you not buy that as an effective argument, or are the figures that you're looking at, or what they're seeing from the trends not going with that notion?
It's certainly true that, especially in some states, there are some really good register to vote, get out to vote, and we saw that here. Can this be maintained? In other words, those folks who registered to vote for the first time, especially younger voters that turned out, younger women that turned out to vote, will they vote back and vote in November? And that's just the part that's unclear now. I think it's correct to assume that